lyrics. Just the groove waking up.
Clouds open up on a Friday night. Guess the universe wants me to get it right. Acid on the pavement, dancing like smoke. Feels like the sky's in on the joke.
Drip, drop, don't stop.
I step outside and the world says freeze. Raining down memories I didn't agree. Bartender knows when I'm out of peace. Hands me the bill for the things I release. Storm hits harder when you're not around. Every raindrop lands like a missing sound. Acid rain.
Check, please, I'm done. Walking through the storm like I already won.
Acid rain drips truth on me. Washes off the parts that I couldn't see. Acid rain.
Check, please, move on. Paid for the pain, now the balance is gone.
Acid rain. Let it fall with ease. Clean me out tonight with a chemical breeze.
Umbrella broke, but I don't mind. Weather always hits harder inside. Lightning draws maps of where we've been. Thunder reminds me not to try again.
Shock, drop, unlock. City looks better when the streets shine wet. Like everything forgives, then forgets. Storms got patience I'll never achieve. Charging interest on what I believe. Storm hits harder when you're not around. Every raindrop lands like a missing sound.
Acid rain, check, please, I'm done. Walking through the storm like I already won.
Acid rain drips truth on me. Washes off the parts that I couldn't see. Acid rain.
Check, please, move on. Paid for the pain, now the balance is gone.
Acid rain. Let it fall with ease. Clean me out tonight with a chemical breeze. Resets the system. Rain rewrites the code. Rain removes the error. Maybe I needed this weather